This video has 15 questions. Each question gives clues about a character, place, event, or thing, from Genesis chapters 6 to 10, to guess who or what it is. Can you guess well? Let's start. Number 1. I was built to save a family and many animals from a great flood. What am I? A. Temple. B. Ark. C. Tower. The answer is B. Ark. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 6, verse 14. Number 2. 7 pairs of my kind were taken onto the ark. What kind of animal am I? A. Unclean. B. Clean. C. Fish. The answer is B. Clean. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 7, verse 2. Number 3. I continued for 40 days and 40 nights, covering the earth. What am I? A. Fire. B. Rain. C. Hail. The answer is B. Rain. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 7, verse 12. Number 4. After the floodwaters receded, the ark came to rest on me. What mountain am I? A. Sinai. B. Ararat. C. Carmel. The answer is B. Ararat. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 8, verse 4. Number 5. I was given as a symbol of God's promise not to flood the earth again. What am I? A. Rainbow. B. Star. C. Cloud. The answer is A. Rainbow. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 9, verse 13. Number 6. I brought back an olive leaf to show that the floodwaters had receded. What bird am I? A. Raven. B. Dove. C. Sparrow. The answer is B. Dove. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 8, verse 11. Number 7. I saw my father's nakedness and told my brothers, who am I? A. Shem. B. Ham. C. Japheth. The answer is B. Ham. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 9, verse 22. Number 8. Because of my father Ham's deed, Noah cursed me. Who am I? A. Canaan. B. Egypt. C. Cush. The answer is A. Canaan. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 9, verse 25. Number 9. Noah blessed me and my brother Japheth. Who am I? A. Ham. B. Shem. C. Canaan. The answer is B. Shem. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 9, verses 26, 27. Number 10. I am the righteous man who survived the flood and lived 950 years. Who am I? A. Methuselah. B. Adam. C. Noah. The answer is C. Noah. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 9, verse 29. Number 11. I promise that never again will all flesh be cut off by the waters of a flood. What am I? A. Abrahamic. B. Noahic. C. Davidic. The answer is B. Noahic. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 9, verse 11. Number 12. I am known as a mighty hunter before the Lord. Who am I? A. Nimrod. B. Canaan. C. Shem. The answer is A. Nimrod. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 10, verses 8-9. Number 13. I am a region settled by the descendants of Canaan, known for its fortified cities and significant role in biblical history. What region am I? A. Egypt. B. Sidon. C. Philistia. The answer is B. Sidon. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 10, verses 15-19. Number 14. I am a region named after one of Ham's sons, known for its cities and people, who later became enemies of Israel. What region am I? A. Egypt. B. Canaan. C. Philistia. The answer is B. Canaan. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 10, verse 6. Number 15. In my days the earth was divided. Who am I? A. Peleg. B. Eber. C. Joktan. The answer is A. Peleg. The answer can be found in Genesis chapter 10, verse 25.